So, Samsung has announced their first Galaxy Unpacked event of 2023 and it will be held on the 1st of February. Samsung has been hinting at their upgrades in this event through their advertisements. So here are all the leaks and known details that you need to know about this particular event. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So before we head on to the video, I would really appreciate it if you guys could subscribe to my channel, as we are really close to 300 subscribers and around 97% of my viewers have not subscribed to my channel. A sub to this channel would be awesome. Anyway, Samsung is expected to launch not only their Galaxy S23 series but their all new Galaxy Books 3 as well, and the Galaxy Tab S9 series as well. So in this video, we will be mainly discussing the leaks that we have about the Galaxy S23 series, that is the Galaxy S23, the Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Ultra phone is actually what I'm most excited about because of the new features that I feel will be coming in this year's Galaxy S23 Ultra. Anyways, let's start with the displays. So the displays have kind of been the same over the past few years, and this year as well, we can expect the same thing. The Galaxy S23 will be coming with a 6.1-inch 1080p 120Hz display, which can change its refresh rate from 48Hz all the way to 120Hz based on the screen usage. The Galaxy S23 Plus has the same display as the Galaxy S23, except it is a bigger 6.6-inch display. The Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with a 6.8-inch 120Hz 1440p AMOLED display, which can change its refresh rate from 1Hz to 120Hz. I would have really liked it if Samsung would have included the 1Hz to 120Hz variable refresh rate in the regular S23 and S23 Plus as well. So now let's come to the cameras. The rear camera setup for both the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus is actually the same. It comes with a 50 megapixel main, a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens. The S23 Ultra on the other hand is going to be seeing a big leap with a 200 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens and another 10 megapixel 10x telephoto lens. The selfie camera on all three of these devices will be the same, that is a 12 megapixel selfie camera. This time around, we will also most probably be seeing 8K 30fps video recording across all of these devices. So now coming to the performance. This is an area which will most probably see the biggest change this year, that is, no Exynos powered devices will be sold by Samsung in their S23 lineup. All of Samsung's S23 smartphones will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor all throughout the world, and this is a great sign because Exynos processors have always been lagging behind their Qualcomm alternatives. This Galaxy S23 will have a base RAM of 8GB and a base storage of 128GB, which can be upgraded to 256GB as well. The S23 Plus on the other hand will have a base RAM of 8GB with 256GB of storage and can be upgraded to 512GB. The S23 Ultra will have either 8 or 12 gigs of RAM with 256, 512 or a 1TB version as well. The battery too this time around has seen no change in comparison to last year. The regular Galaxy S23 will have a 3900 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging and 10 watt wireless charging as well. The S23 Plus will have a 4700 mAh battery with 45 watt wired charging and 10 watt wireless charging, while the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt wired and 10 watt wireless charging as well. All three of these smartphones will have IP68 water and dust resistance as well. Overall, these new smartphones seem to be a great way to start the new year. We'll soon be having a OnePlus event as well, wherein we can see their OnePlus 11 series and see whether they can make a comeback and see how that pans out in comparison to Samsung's S23 lineup. Overall, it's a great buy and should be something to look out for in case you are looking for a new smartphone. The S22 lineup also will see a price drop once the event gets over and will also be a great buy even after a year. So if you're looking to buy a smartphone in this particular price range, I guess the S22 lineup will be a great deal, and if you want the latest features of 2023 right now, you can always look forward to the Galaxy S23 lineup. Anyways, that's been it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I leave links for both those accounts in the video description. Thanks for watching. This is Techsavage, and I'll see you guys in the next one.